to Science at Home, where we take everyday household items and create science experiments out of it. My name's Mr. Antony, and thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to look at balloons. Have you ever had trouble inflating them? I know, it can be hard sometimes, right? Well, today we're going to do a science experiment to inflate this balloon, and I'll show you how. You'll just need a couple of ingredients for that one. Here, I've got some distilled white vinegar, baking soda, a 12-inch balloon, a water bottle, a funnel, and a measuring cup. And by using these together, we're going to create what's called a chemical reaction. And this is going to create the mixture of the baking soda and vinegar together to inflate the balloon inside the bottle. And I'll show you how. You guys ready?
For this experiment, you're going to need a couple of things. First, a 500 milliliter water bottle filled about halfway with vinegar, baking soda, a 12-inch balloon, a funnel, and adult supervision.
Alright, let's begin the experiment. To start, we'll have our water bottle, and as you can see here, I've already filled it up with our white distilled vinegar, about halfway full, or about a cup. Next, we will take our balloon and funnel, and we'll just put the balloon underneath there, and get some baking soda and fill it inside here. And then we'll shake it down a little bit. And if the baking soda gets stuck, you can use maybe a stick, a chopstick, or something thin to kind of push down any clumps that might get stuck in the funnel. And if you don't have a funnel at home, you can make one also out of paper. And I'll show you how.
And here's how to make a paper funnel. We'll just need one sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, and a little bit of tape. Let's start with our piece of paper here, and we're going to fold it hamburger style, like so. All right, and now we're going to open it up, and we have two halves. We'll take our scissors and cut it in half. There we go. And now with half a sheet of paper, we are going to fold it in like so. Make a triangle. Fold the bottom up. And then we'll turn it around. And we'll just fold this top over here. Close that. Perfect. All right. And for the funnel part, now we'll take a little bit of tape. And we're going to seal the corner that we just folded over here and attach it to the folded end. Go. And we'll need that to hold that in place there. And now, all we have to do is just cut the end of our funnel here a little. And we'll just open up the top of this now. Fold it open. Squeeze it there, and ta-da! We've got paper funnel!
Next, now that we have our balloon filled with baking soda, we're just going to open the bottom, be careful here, put it right on top of the water bottle so that it covers the hole here, and next we'll make the chemical reaction. So mixing the baking soda to the vinegar should create something that will cause the balloon to inflate. All right, let's do it together now, and we'll count down from 3 to 0. And when we get to 0, turn your balloon all the way over and let the baking soda fall inside. You ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
And here's the balloon inflation one more time in slow motion. As you can see here, when the baking soda touched the vinegar, it caused a swell of bubbles to form inside the bottle, which in turn creates carbon dioxide. And as you can see here, the balloon is getting bigger.
And after a few seconds, the bubbles should start subsiding. And at that point, we'll take a look to see what happened here. If you got any extra baking soda left in the balloon, go ahead and shake it down now to get it out. You might have also saw some bubbles go into the balloon and kind of bubble up too, which is kind of cool. All right, and there we go. Our balloon's now inflated. Not just with air, but with carbon dioxide. And here it is, our carbon dioxide inflated balloon. Fun fact, carbon dioxide is heavier than air. So if you were to drop this balloon, it'll drop a little bit faster than a balloon filled with just air. Well, thank you again for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed that experiment. Don't forget, the Las Vegas Clark County Library District now is having their Summer Challenge program. Starting now until July 31st, you can sign up online and be entered into a chance to win some great prizes. All you have to do is fill out your reading log. You can find this information on www.lvccld.org, and you should see a banner there for the Summer Challenge. And again, thank you for joining me today for Science at Home. I hope you had a good time, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one.